this is Kannagi. Today we have come to Walmart. So this is Walmart in Halifax, Nova Scotia. If you're coming internationally from any other country, this is one-stop place for shopping. And also, you can find anything and everything that you're looking for. Let's go inside. One thing before you come to Walmart in Nova Scotia, do bring in bags like this because it's super helpful to carry a lot of stuff. If you're coming to Nova Scotia, plastic is banned here. So they will give you paper bags which are very difficult to carry. So do bring in these bags which are super helpful to carry a lot of stuff. And one more thing, do wear your mask before you enter the store.
This section of Walmart is dedicated to vegetables. For people looking for quick shopping, they can just buy this single pack with different vegetables in it. What I love the most is how Walmart tries to maintain the freshness of vegetables. You will see all the green vegetables like parsley, broccoli, lettuce, spring onions, coriander, also known as cilantro. Funny, I didn't know that before coming here. Two quick facts that I want to share is all of these tags have names of vegetables with their prices. All prices are before taxes, so do account for that before you go to the billing section. Weights are in lbs, so if you don't know, 1 lb is almost half a kg. Now coming to this peppers part, I usually pick up a bag of mixed peppers. Makes my dishes more colorful and tastier. I also appreciate the fact that how Walmart respects different countries. You will find Indian as well as Chinese eggplant, which is pretty interesting. Now, vegetables can be weighed using these weighing scales. You can see you can put your vegetables over this weighing scale as I just did. It helps in avoiding surprises at the billing sections. Onions, again different varieties. Red, white, yellow, whatever you feel like picking up, just pick up, choice is yours. Big sack of potatoes lying all over the place. Canadians do love potatoes, but if you want smaller packs, those are options too. For my South Asian viewers, if you love roti like I did, you get a lot of variety of Indian breads here. Until you become bored like I got and called up my mom to teach me how I can do it myself. And if you are a rice lover, that's awesome. Let's work, my friend. This is how the dairy section of Walmart looks like. It has wide variety of butter, cream, cheese and milk. Now when I talk about milk, milk comes in 3 varieties. 0%, 1%, 2% and 3%. All of these are reduced fat percentages. I usually pick up the 2% one, but you can choose whatever you feel is healthier. They also have expiry dates written on them. So before you pick up any milk bottle, make sure you read the expiry date. Also, they come in 2 different kinds of packing, 4 liters and 2 liters. Paneer is my personal favorite, so I never forget to pick one. Walmart also has a big collection of frozen items. Samosas, aloo tikki chaat, everything comes in frozen. Well, unfortunately, they do not have the fresh ones, but I know Iya serves pretty good samosas. Coming to sweets, I love gulab jamun and rasmalai. Apna Taste Rasmalai is my personal favorite and I always pick it up. Walmart also sells these frozen vegetables which are already chopped, but they are not that healthy, so think before you pick these up. Spices. A big variety here as well. You will notice a lot of Great Value written on these boxes. Great Value is one of Walmart's brand. So the items on Great Value are little less as compared to others in prices. And the quality is good too, so I prefer them. Indian spices in abundance as well. So if you go to Walmart, you can get all these spices which you like. Different varieties of beans which are already boiled and are in cans. You can take these and are ready to pick up. But I personally prefer the packets, so I pick those up. There is also a big collection of Haldiram items, if you are someone like me who loves munching. There is a wide variety in oils as well. You can pick up whatever cooking oil you like. Vegetable oil from Great Value is usually cheaper as compared to the other varieties. I prefer olive oil, so I just pick up that one. Maggi at 27 cents gets pretty sold out quickly. So whenever I find these packets, I tend to pick up a little more. Finally, at the billing counter, I'm done with my grocery today. I hope you got some information about grocery shopping in Canada. I'll be making a lot of more videos with different kinds of information. So feel free to subscribe, share and like. And if there is anything else I can help with, do comment. Bye-bye for now.